Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram post on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and in the social media post section you can find the Instagram post option. Here just select a template and click to the use this template button. If you want to change the text, just click to the text box. You can delete this text, and in the font section you can select another font type, and the style section, for example, you can edit the size of your text. In the photo section you can search different images, and in the upload section you can upload photos from your gallery. In the object section you can find different objects. For example, click to the ice cream and you can move and you can edit the size. In the animation section you can find different animations which you can add to your project. And in the music section you can find different music. For example, click to the summer button, and if you want to add the song, just click to the plus icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.